Today I want to teach you how to change the calibration unit. Now you can see now calibration unit is Micron. Here and here in Micron. During the calibration you can see here is Micron. And then how I want to change this one to mil. Okay, we start from here. First you need to go here, the acquisition setting, click, and then will pop out one acquisition setting. And then I click at general. From here you can see the calibration unit. Okay, from here you click here and then change to inch and then click OK. From here you can see suddenly change within in micro inch. Okay, I try snap the image. I go here and then all my measurement in micro inch. I click another measurement is micro inch. And how I want to fit this one, I go in here, the same as execution setting, and then click here. I change to basic unit to meters. So I click OK. Now during the capture, the hysteresis is not changed to micro inch. You need to recapture again for the image. Now I go to back to live view. Now from here you can check micro inch change to micrometer. Now I try to for a basic measurement 22 micron. I capture and then I go to latest image. From here the unit already changed. Thank you. That's all.